Welcome, intrepid explorers of the digital age. We stand at the cusp of a new frontier, a realm where imagination takes form through the power of programming. But what is programming, you ask? In essence, it is the art of instructing computers, those tireless machines to perform tasks, solve problems, and even create new worlds. Imagine a symphony orchestra. The musicians are like the components of a computer, each with its own unique capabilities. The conductor, in this analogy, is the programmer, wielding the baton of code to orchestrate a harmonious symphony of computation. Through programming, we breathe life into our digital creations, transforming raw data into elegant algorithms, websites, and applications that empower and entertain us. In this era of technological marvels, programming has become more than just a specialized skill. It is a fundamental literacy, a passport to understanding and shaping the world around us. From the apps on our smartphones to the artificial intelligence that powers self-driving cars, programming is the invisible force that drives innovation and connects us in ways unimaginable just a few decades ago. Now, the true beauty of programming lies not just in its power but also in its accessibility. Anyone, regardless of background or prior experience, can embark on this exciting journey of discovery. All it takes is a thirst for knowledge, a dash of curiosity, and the willingness to embrace the challenges and triumphs that await. So, let us embark on this adventure together and unlock the boundless possibilities that lie within the realm of programming. As we prepare for our journey into the world of programming, the first step is to choose a path, a language through which we will communicate with our digital companions. Fear not, for there are many beginner-friendly options, each with its own unique strengths and applications. One such language is Python, known for its clear syntax and versatility. Like a well-crafted spaceship, Python allows us to navigate the cosmos of programming with ease, exploring concepts such as data analysis, web development, and even artificial intelligence. Its gentle learning curve and vast community support make it an ideal choice for those taking their first steps into the world of code. Another popular option is JavaScript, the language that breathes life into the web. With JavaScript, we can transform static web pages into interactive experiences, adding animations, dynamic content, and even games. Its ubiquity across the internet makes it a valuable skill for anyone interested in web development. And then we have HTML and CSS, the dynamic duo that forms the foundation of the web. HTML, the architect, provides the structure and content of web pages, while CSS, the artist, adds style and visual flair. Together they empower us to craft beautiful and engaging online experiences. The choice of which language to learn first depends on your interests and goals. If you're drawn to the world of data and automation, Python might be the perfect fit. If you dream of creating interactive web experiences, JavaScript awaits. And if you're eager to build the foundations of the web, HTML and CSS are your building blocks. Whichever path you choose, remember that the most important step is to begin. Now that we've chosen our spacecraft, Python, let's take it for a spin and write our first program. Fear not, for this initial voyage will be a gentle introduction, a taste of the wonders that await. In the realm of programming, we communicate with our computer through code, a series of instructions they can understand and execute. In Python, one of the simplest yet most iconic programs is the Hello World program. Don't let its simplicity fool you. This seemingly small step represents a giant leap into the world of programming. To create this program, we'll use a function called. Think of a function as a specialized tool that performs a specific task. The function, as its name suggests, takes whatever we put inside its parentheses and displays it on the screen. So to print hello world, we would write the following code. Print hello world. That's it. Just one line of code. And we've already created our first program. When we run this code, the Python interpreter, our trusty translator, will execute our instructions and display the message hello world on the screen. This simple program might seem trivial, but it encapsulates the fundamental principle of programming, giving instructions to a computer in a language it understands. From this humble beginning, we can build upon our knowledge, adding complexity and sophistication to our programs as we explore the vast possibilities of Python.